Hello lovelies! So today I just wanted to come on here and show you how I relax my hair using the Mizani Butter Blend alongside Olaplex. This is for healthier results from the entire relaxing process. Now Olaplex is a 3-step system that helps rebuild broken bonds and prevent breakage when it is added to a chemical, thermal or mechanical process. So that is when you're coloring, perming or relaxing your hair. At this point, she's just adding some olive oil to my hair. Nothing special, just your generic extra virgin olive oil. This serves as a coating for previously relaxed hair. Now, although we're going to be focusing on just the regrowth, I do this step because I just don't want to take any chances with double processing hair that's already been processed, especially when washing it out. So you guys already know that relaxers chemically and permanently straighten kinky or curly hair, and it does this by breaking the disulfide bonds found in hair. Now these bonds are actually responsible for the hair's curl pattern, so when the relaxer breaks it down, it becomes straight. Now the first step of Olaplex, which is called the bond multiplier, it works to rebuild those broken disulfide bonds and then begins the process of preventing damage to the hair and repairing the hair. Now you don't need a lot of Olaplex number 1, you just need about 7.5 ml for 60 grams of relaxer. Anything less than 60 grams you want to be using 3.75 ml. And here I'm just going to be showing you how that works. The first bottle, number 1, comes with an applicator and you just squeeze it and it just fills up there to the level that you want. I'm just trying to get it all the way up to about 1/4 of an ounce, which is what you would require if you were using 60 grams of relaxer or more. I'm definitely using more, guys, because I've got a big head, and that's what happens when you have a big head, you use a lot of product. So right here, she's just mixing the Olaplex number 1 with some more olive oil. Now this is to further reduce the potency of the relaxer. Remember, I'm not going for a bone straight look. I'm looking for more of a kinky straight type of look. So as you can see, the primary focus here is on the regrowth. There's no reason whatsoever for you to go over and over the previously relaxed hair, because actually that's what causes your hair to be brittle and to break off easily. So when people say their hair is breaking off, that's probably because you're relaxing the hair that you've already relaxed before. The only time that you ever want to relax your hair from root to tip is the first time that you ever put a relaxer on it. And that's when you're going from natural virgin hair to relaxed hair. After this time, you only need touch-ups for the new growth. So you guys are probably wondering why she's not putting the relaxer directly on my scalp. That's because I have really tender scalp and really tough hair. Very, very, very terrible combination. So if you have my kind of scalp, then you want to get your hairdresser to do this method. And eventually the relaxer will get to the scalp, but that's just like the last minute, so it doesn't hurt at all. Please, oh, I'm begging you guys, unless you are a Wakanda warrior and you have your hands coated with vibranium, don't be relaxing hair without wearing gloves. I don't know how she did it, why she did it. She says she's used to it. I personally wouldn't even risk it. So please wear gloves when you're doing this process. Ideally, this is what your hair should look like when it's done. Roots all coated with relaxer and nothing on the tips. The next step is to wash out the relaxer with warm water only before applying Olaplex number 2, which is known as the Bond Perfector. Now before applying the Bond Perfector, you want to make sure you've rinsed out the hair without shampooing it. It's a standalone treatment that you leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, then you wash it off and make sure that you use a neutralizing shampoo. Here you can see her applying the Bond Perfector to my hair after we've rinsed out the relaxer. It works to continue rebuilding and restoring any remaining broken bonds, ensuring the strongest, shiniest, and healthiest hair possible. washing, rinsing, and conditioning your hair, this is what it should look like. I haven't trimmed the ends or nothing, but this is how it looks. It's thick and it looks really healthy. You can see that it's not bone straight. It has a lot of texture and a lot of body to it. Now you just want to go ahead and blow dry it using a heat protectant spray, and this is what your hair should look like after blow drying. I haven't used any flat iron on it, and I'm just showing you how much body there is to my hair even after blow drying it. Final step number 3 is called the hair perfector. This is what your stylist would usually give you to take home to ensure ongoing protection from damage. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe below. Even if you don't like the video, just hit the like button. I am using God to beg you, subscribe. This is one of my first videos on YouTube, so just say hello in the comment section and let me know where you're watching from. Longer, broken hearted, so glad I came here tonight.